This is a brief tutorial discussing the features available within Google Docs apps for classroom use. Please remember the preferred browser is Google Chrome. To access Google Docs, you will need to navigate to your Google Drive and select the New button located on the left side. Scroll down and select Google Docs. Upon opening the application, you should always remember to name the document. By default, each document is entitled Untitled. Click on the text in the top left corner and insert the title. And make sure to click out of the text box. You will notice that you have the ability to star the document for frequent use or to move it to a specified folder. This allows you to organize your online storage while creating each document file. Google Docs allows you the ability to share your documents, collaborate in real time, and enable voice typing. To share your document and collaborate with others, you first need to select the blue button entitled Shared located at the top right of your Google Doc. Once there, you will need to determine if you want to utilize the shareable link or invite people utilizing their email addresses. Both options will have you determine what rights you want the users to have between edit, comment, or view. When you have determined the rights you want the user to have, please make sure to click the blue button, which will either have text done or send depending on which option you selected. As previously mentioned before, to enable the voice feature known as voice typing, select the word Tools at the top and scroll down to voice typing. Once you have selected this, a microphone will appear. There are 3 dots at the top of the box. This allows you the ability to move it to various points on the screen. Directly under the 3 dots, you will see by default English is selected, but you have the ability to switch the setting. Please be aware that voice recognition is not perfect and might predict different words or be hindered by background noise. If this option does not pique your interest in utilizing it in the classroom, may I suggest utilizing the Google app Text-to-Speech. This allows users who might not be performing up to grade level or want to challenge themselves to copy and paste text from a specified website, and this app will read it to them while highlighting the words as they go. To locate and connect this app to your drive, please follow the following steps. First, you navigate to My Drive. Then, on the left side, you're going to locate the New button. Select the New button and scroll all the way down to the More. Scroll over and use the scroll bar on the right side to scroll all the way down and hit the plus that says Connect to More Apps. Once there, you're going to see on the right side there is a search box. You are going to type in text-to-speech and hit enter. The first one will be text-to-speech with Google Drive. On the right, you'll see the blue button that says connect. Please select that. It says text-to-speech was connected to your Google Drive. You hit OK. You X out of that box. Again, going over to the left side, clicking New, scrolling down to More again, scrolling over using the scroll bar, scrolling down and finding text-to-speech. If you notice that there's text in your app, that's because you did not delete it from the last time you utilized it. So I'm going to navigate to a website that has text that I want to be read to me. I'm going to highlight the first paragraph. I'm going to hit Control-C to copy it. I'm going to navigate back to my app, hit Control V, and then make sure you have Google US English selected, and you are going to hit the word speak. Once you hit the word speak, it will read all the words to you and highlight. You have the option to also stop and pause and resume. These features make it possible to work on group collaborative projects, take/share class notes, design a class newsletter, or develop other products. One of the features to highlight is commenting. This tool allows a teacher to highlight areas that students need to work on or provide constructive feedback. Comments can be attached to these areas that need revision, and students are able to view and reply to. In the case of collaborative student projects, teachers can have students provide peer edits as well. To insert a comment, first highlight the specific phrase or word that you want to offer a critique to. Then select the comment button on the right side of your page. You will notice that on the top of the comment box is the commenter's name. Then you hit the word comment blue. If you want to see all the comments placed within this document, select the Comments button on the top. You will notice there is an option to select how you want to be notified if a comment is added to your document. You can select all comments you'll be notified for, only yours, or only get notifications, and then you also have the option that you don't want to be notified if a new comment is added. You will also notice in each comment you have the option to resolve. That means you can, after you've done the edit, you might have resolved the comment. Be aware that it will still always be located within the comments box up here, and you can always go back and review them. This just makes you have less of a cluttered space of comments if you have multiple comments on a certain sentence. Take a few moments to locate and identify the areas that were discussed within this tutorial. If you have any questions regarding Google Docs/apps, please let me know.